everyone, it's Rochelle, and today I'm going to draw some pictures on my board to teach you about some science words. Now, we've been learning a little bit about weather, and I want to tell you one big science word first. The word is meteorologist. That's somebody who studies the weather. Now, even though you can't be a meteorologist when you're a kid, you can still be a weather scientist. You want to know how you could be a scientist? If you observe things, which means if you look at them, like out your window, or when you're out on a walk. And if you are curious and want to learn things, and if you like to do experiments like splashing in a puddle or collecting some rainwater, those are all things that you do when you're a scientist. So I'm going to teach you some science words. Are you ready? First thing I need to do is draw some lines. I'm going to make one vertical line and one horizontal line. Okay, it's a little bit crooked, but that's okay. So the first thing I'm going to draw is a that is a cloud. So a cloud has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. And the first letter goes K. You know what letter says that sound? A C. So I'm going to make the first letter nice and bright so you can see it. C L O U D. Cloud. Now, here's a trick to remember the words. You can hold up one hand like this in a fist, and the other part of the word, loud, and put them together. Cloud. Loud, cloud. Can you do that? Loud, cloud. Now, a cloud is something that is in the sky or in a garden. It's something that's in the sky, and clouds form, and sometimes they're fluffy and white and look like whipped cream, and sometimes they're big and gray and dark, and they have a storm brewing. I wonder what is inside of a cloud. That could be something to think about. So, our next word is that's my letter. I'm going to make some. What are those? What do those look like? Did you say rain? It is rain. So rain has 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first one is R. R. A. I. N. Rain. Let's try our trick. Ain, rain. Ain, rain. So a cloud gets full of water droplets, and then rain falls down, down, down to the ground, and it makes a, well, maybe we should go this way. How about right here? It makes a something that starts with a P. This is going to be a little tricky to draw, so I hope you'll be able to tell what it is. So it goes like this. It's kind of a big shape, and maybe there's some lines like this, and there might be some splashes like this. Can you tell what this is? I might just have to tell you. It's a little tricky to draw. It's a puddle. So, I don't know if adding lines will help or make it worse. Well, what do you think? Maybe I'm just going to color the whole thing in. You know, sometimes your science drawings don't always turn out, but that's okay, because we're still learning. That is a puddle. Puddle is a long word. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What letter goes P? Do you know? P. Puddle starts with a P. So P, U, D, D, L, E. So let's do our trick. Puddle, puddle. Puddle, puddle. So the cloud is up in the sky, and it gets filled with water droplets, and the water droplets fall and make rain that goes all the way to the ground where we are, and it makes a big puddle. And now I wonder how the puddles dry up, because puddles don't stay forever on the ground, do they? I wonder what's something that is in the sky that helps a puddle disappear. Can you think of anything? I'll give you a clue. It's really big, and it's actually way up in outer space. But down here on Earth, where we are, it kind of looks yellow. And it's really bright and really hot. Do you know what it is? The sun. Okay, I'm going to make a big yellow circle for the sun. So a yellow circle and some lines going straight out. There it is. Okay, I'm going to write the word. Do you know what letter goes? S. The word sun has 3 letters. And the first one is S. S. U. N. Ready for our trick? Sun. Sun. Okay, do you know what we just learned about? This is the water cycle. So first, the water fills up the cloud and it's full of water droplets. Then it gets so heavy that it falls down to the ground where we are as rain. Then it makes a big puddle. And then the warm sun dries it up. And there's a big science word for that. And it's called evaporate. That's a big one. Should we try it again? Evaporate. 4 claps. Evaporate. Okay, that was so much learning. I hope that you will watch this video again and maybe you could pause it and draw these same pictures and try to write the words. And then, you know what else you could do? You could be a teacher and you could teach somebody in your family all about the water cycle. Because guess what? You are a weather scientist now. Thumbs up, pat on the back. Okay, everyone, I will see you soon, and I can't wait to talk to you some more about weather. Bye.